How to interrogate Google Drive with Slack on desktop. Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today in this tutorial we are going to walk you through how to interrogate Google Drive into your Slack workspace right from your desktop. First of all, open your Slack app on your desktop. You will come to this page. Over here you will see the option of sign up on the top right corner of your screen. Click on that. Moving forward, enter your Slack ID, or you can choose with continue with Google or continue with Apple. Now sign into your account, enter your password and then tap on next. Tap on continue. Once you are here in the home page of your Slack, you will see the more option in the left side of the screen. Click on automation. Here you will find the Slack app directory. Once you have found the Google Drive app, click on it. On the Google Drive app page, you will see a green Add to Slack button. Click on it. Tap on Allow. Click on Continue. Here you have to allow permission to Slack to choose your Google Drive. Scroll down and select Allow. Your Google Drive is now interrogated. You can see your files directly in Slack by pasting the Google Drive link in the message box. Slack will automatically generate a rich preview of the document. Along with that, you can manage file permission right from within Slack, ensuring your team has the right access. You will receive updates right in your chosen Slack channel whenever someone shares a file with you, comments on your document, or when there is any activity on shared file. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.